We're here because of Sunshine Week, a commemoration of public access to government information.
Hofstra University's Sunshine Law event, held on March 26th, organized experts from the local community to discuss the importance of the Freedom of Information Act. Along with the Hofstra Journalism, Media Studies, and Public Relations Department, the Press Club of Long Island sponsored the event to address important issues.
People's rights and to participate with panelists who, in some instances, may have a different point of view. And Adam, I'm going to disagree with you. Florida, wow, it's great. They can't talk to each other. That means that two board members can't educate each other about an issue crucial to public policy. What happens then?
People from the local community were also invited to come share stories and ask questions about FOIA.
More questions? Yes, good.
What are the parameters around redaction? That's my question.
Well, we can talk
Probably on the
about
website.
how much time do we have?
But attorneys on the panel stressed that sometimes it is important to withhold information.
Most of the time our struggle when we have information law requests is trying to be sensitive to the needs of the individual who is being the subject of that freedom of information law request. And just making sure that the information that we're releasing is not infringing on their privacy rights.
There's a lot of governmental interest involved in perhaps redacting information or not releasing certain kinds of information. Criminal investigation, right, would be one thing.
Still, the public has frustrations.
I think the biggest challenge is when there's some information that they, let's say, don't want to be public. You have to go through hoops. You have to continually foil and appeal.
For that information, the government might say you don't have a right to know, or you shouldn't know. It may not be in the public interest.
But some say the public interest is exactly why freedom of information is so important. Still, they are careful what they release.
We're very careful about what we write. However we get the information, we spend a lot of time thinking about how to make sure we are responsible. Of course, it's a difference of opinion, right? I'm sure the police department doesn't agree with that always.
There's only so many personnel, so much time in the day, and we focus on the major issues of the day. It's just something that we have to balance, what's newsworthy and what's not.
For Hofstra University, I'm Megan Fitzgerald.